My dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. And we have already completed our chapter number 6, give and take. So today there will be a worksheet, 48 number worksheet I will give you in this class, which is unsolved. You have to solve it and you have to give the answer in my comment section. Look at the first question. What is given here? Find x and y from the given diagram. See the given diagram, there is x and y are missing. So in place of x and y, you have to put the appropriate numbers. So what will be the appropriate numbers? You have to find out. So the options are also given. You know the procedure. You have to do it in copy and you have to send the answer in my comment section. Here in the second question, it is also very easy. Here also you have to fill up. You have to fill up by numbers, or as the options are written in the word, so you can write the options also. 45 plus dash equals to 100. So option number A, double of 45. In place of dash, can we write double of 45? Can we write reverse of 45, or can we write 10 more than 45? What will be the answer? In third question, again it's a missing number sum. You know that it's a subtraction missing number sum. So it's a 3-digit subtraction. And here some places are in red, that is x, y, z are in red. So this x, y, z you have to find out. So how to find the missing numbers? You know the procedure. Just apply it and answer it. See the first option, x equals to 6. Just x equals to 6. Y equals to 6, Z equals to 0. B, option B, x equals to 7, Y equals to 6 and Z equals to 9. Option C, x equals to 7, Y equals to 0 and Z equals to 7. So what is the right answer? You have to first solve the question, then you have to answer it in the comment section. The fourth question, it is very easy, very simple. Fill up 37 minus dash equals to 30. So options are also given. You have to write the answer. So you know the procedure, you have to apply it and you have to solve the answer. So the option number A is 7, option number B 30 and option number C 37. What will be the right answer? Check it and write. Read the fifth number question. The addition of two numbers is 8421. The addition means the sum of two numbers is this. If one is 7021, then find the other. Options are given here, but from the next there will be no option. You have to answer it. Okay, so first option A, 1400, 1500 or 400. What will be the answer? It's a 6 number question. Here no option will be provided. You have to answer it. So the question is, let me read the question first. It's a word problem. You can easily understand. So what is the word problem given here? 218 parents ticket and 98 student tickets were sold for the school annual day. How many tickets were sold in all? How many tickets are sold? I am repeating the question. 218 parent ticket and 98 student tickets were sold for the school annual day. How many tickets were sold in all? So already you have learned lot of keywords of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So in this chapter we are going to discuss only about addition and subtraction. So what will be the operation and how to do it, and how. For the answer, you have to write the each and every steps, means statement, calculation, proper operations and calculation, and do it and write it in my comment section. What will be the answer? Let us read the 7th number question. What is in the 7th number question? See, Abdul spent rupees 38 at the fair. His sister spent rupees 12 less than him. How much did his sister spend? How much did his sister spend? So Abdul spent rupees 38 at the fair. His sister spent rupees 12 less than him. How much did his sister spend? So what you have to do, you know that there is the keywords. I think you have understand that what is the keyword, and please write the keyword also. When you are writing the answer in the comment section, that time please mention the keyword. So write the answer and the keyword, and in your copy write the. Let's read the 8th number question. If we add 4-digit smallest and the reverse of 3-digit greatest number, what we will get? See, the question is little bit different from the previous few questions. If we add 4-digit smallest number and the reverse of 3-digit greatest number, what is the 4-digit smallest number? You know that. And what is the 3-digit greatest number? You also know that. The reverse of first of all you have to write the 3-digit greatest number, then reverse it, and then add it. Add with 4-digit smallest number. Then you will get the. Let us move on to our 9th number question. In a match, India make 123 runs. How many runs are needed to make double century? So those who are interested in cricket, they know that what is meant by double century. So India make 123 runs. How many runs are needed to make double century? So first of all you need to know that what is meant by double century. Then you have to do the proper operation. I am not telling you that what will be the operation. You have to find it and you have to answer it. Now this is our last question. See, the last question is 10th number question. Teacher asks to Iman to write 95 but 59 written by Iman. Does Iman done any mistake? If yes, then how much she written less or more? You have to find it. So teacher asks to Iman to write 95 in place of write 95 but Iman written 59. Does Iman done any mistake? If yes, then how much she written less or more? This type of question also you have done in another worksheets also. So it is you have to do it and you have to answer it in the comment section. So today you will practice this worksheet and send the answer to me, and thank you.